Road Dog Crypto. So you guys remember from about a week ago when I posted this video on Crust Network, I said if we break below this trend line, it could lead to an ugly situation, one that we didn't want to see. Well, we're here, and Crust Network is trading for 145 today. Now the volume's been up pretty well today at 29.5 million, with most of the trading seem to be coming in at Gate.io. And I still fully believe in the project. I think it's really cool. I just think there's going to be a chance to get it a lot cheaper. And my strategy tells me right now that I've got to do a little risk management. And I'm going to go over with you what my plan is, how I'm going to take my current bag, come out in profit on it, and then buy this bag cheaper. Now, looking at the daily, here's the line in the sand that we broke. We did get a bounce here at the 618 Fibonacci. That was about $1.33, $1.34. We got two scenarios to play out here. One is that we come up most likely to about $1.73, maybe up a little bit higher, somewhere around $1.86. We form a right shoulder for what we call a head and shoulders pattern. So with this scenario, we come up to the top, take a measure move. This tells us that if we break that neckline, where we're coming down to, and that's back down to this level of about 46, 47 cents. Now, does it have to go completely down to that level? No, it could actually stop down here about 69 cents. Maybe get lucky at 88 cents, but still, the fact is, we're being set up for a bearish scenario. Now, that's one scenario. The other possibility that I'm looking at is a bounce from this area, working our way back up, and it may come back up to this area right here, about $2.14, maybe even as high as $2.37. And now, while that would be looking bullish, what's really happening is that we'd be coming up, riding this trend line, testing it for resistance, and then getting our move down. So for anyone like me who kind of got an average entry price around through here, you got a chance to sell out of your positions on the way up, take some profit, and then when we get a breakdown to lower prices, wherever they may be, it's at 48 cents, 64 cents, 68 cents, with this Ichimoku cloud being so thick is telling me we've got a good chance to break down to the downside. So the old me would have just rode all this out. That's where I got in. We'll just wait and give it a few months and see what happens. The more experienced me does not enjoy that at all. I personally don't enjoy drawdowns. I don't like seeing my accounts go down in value. I would rather avoid that at all costs. The whole point is to buy low and sell higher. So basically, to break this down, as the price starts coming back up, and hopefully we do break above this 200 EMA, I'll be putting sell orders in at 177, at 185, 191, 197, $2.03. This daily resistance area at $2.12, $2.13, and possibly even one up at 222. Now, once price does come up to these areas and finds a top, comes back down, breaks this neckline, that's when I'm going to have some orders stacked in pyramid down through here. Most notably, I'm looking at this measure move target, which it may not hit. This is the biggest measure move that we have at 33 cents. A more conservative measure move would take us down to about to this area of about 56 cents. And then there's also some Fibonacci levels right here, about 67 cents, 79 cents, 93 cents, and $1.04. I would much rather take profit up at these areas and then repurchase down here. One thing that's important for me to stress is that on the 4 hour, we still have not broken this parabolic structure, so I'm still eyeballing that very carefully. There is still that small chance, as long as we respect this orange parabolic trend line, stay within it, we do have a good shot to come on up to these higher levels, most notably up here at the 618 Fibonacci at $3.14. So I'm not taking that completely off the table, but the current price structures I'm seeing is having a more higher probability of coming back up and then having some more drawdown, and I want to take advantage of that. Now, should I see price continue up, and we do break above this trend line, and we do break above this high at $2.36, I have no problem putting a huge order in and then riding that wave on up. Until I get evidence that that's how this is going to play out, I'm going to have to safeguard my capital, and I highly suggest that maybe you think about doing that too. Crust is still a great project. I still have a lot of hope for it. I do plan on getting in and building a nice sizable bag of this for the future for a long-term hold. Just that unfortunately right now, I have to switch over to trader mode, exit in what profit I can to accumulate at a better price. This information has been helpful to you. Hit that like, maybe subscribe to the channel, trade carefully, and until next time, my name is Lane, your Crypto Road Dog, reminding you, you got this, baby.
Greetings to the crypto community. We are pseudo-anonymous. We are here to smash that like button. We believe this content needs to reach more people like you. We are watching. We are listening. Most importantly, we are liking and subscribing. We are pseudo-anonymous. Expect us.